How to remove a tire from a Cub Cadet 1045. The Cub Cadet 1045 lawnmower features a 20 horsepower Kohler engine and a 46-inch quick-attach mower deck. As the machine ages, the tires will start to wear, crack and leak. If the leak is on the sidewall, it must be replaced. The front tire is removed differently than the rear, both take just a few minutes to remove. Things you'll need: jack stands, pliers, deep well socket set, front tire removal. Park the lawnmower on a hard, level surface. Place a jack under the front of the frame between the two front tires and raise the front. Place jack stands under the frame in front of each front tire. Slowly lower the jack until the frame rests on the stands. Pull the cap off of the center of the front tire to expose the wheel axle. Remove the cotter key that goes through the axle. Slide off the front tire. Rear tire removal. Park the lawnmower on a hard, level surface. Place a jack under the rear of the tractor, on the frame, between the two back tires and raise the back end. Place jack stands behind the rear tires and slowly lower the jack until the frame rests on the stands. Remove the 4 nuts inside the hub of the wheel with a deep well socket. Slide off the rear wheel.